Won't ever feel like you've run a mile, even after walking across the room? You're not alone. Millions of seniors experience chronic shortness of breath, where each inhale feels shallow, and each step feels harder than it should. Too, as we age, our lungs lose elasticity, they can't expand like they used to. The heart must work harder to deliver oxygen to the muscles. Less oxygen means fatigue, dizziness, and sometimes fear of moving at all. 3. The less we move, the weaker our lungs and muscles become. Soon even light chores feel exhausting. But here's the good news. You can reverse this pattern with gentle, oxygen-boosting movements. 4. Try this simple, seated breathing exercise. It helps your lungs work smarter, not harder. It slows your breathing and improves oxygen flow. 5. Pair your breathing with light movement. A mini pedal exerciser keeps your blood and oxygen flowing, even while sitting. It's perfect for rebuilding endurance safely. 6. Every breath is progress. Start small. Stay consistent. You'll find your breath grows stronger, and your confidence returns. Remember, movement is medicine. Also, subscribe and see the support products including t-shirts and mini exerciser in the description. Remember, go for good health and lifestyle.